That's a bit naff. It's raining, which means I'm going to get wet. Anyway, plan for today is, if I can stop shaking. The plan for today is to head down to Great Yarmouth to Superbike Warehouse. It's their first birthday bash. They've opened a year today. And to make it a little bit more stressful, I am leading a group ride. I've never ever led a group ride before, so yeah, I've made it really, really simple. It's literally just going to be bypass there. The idea is to meet in my local Tesco's, potentially meet some people. I don't think anyone's going to turn up there because I'm the only one who lives down this way, so if I go and no one turns up, don't laugh. And then we're heading to Norwich to meet up with another group of people, which I believe there is going to be people there, so fingers crossed I'm not lonesome. And then head from there to Acle, which is just outside Yarmouth, and then that should be the last meeting point. So after that, it should be from there straight down to Superbike Warehouse. So yeah, so we'll see how that goes. It is getting a bit sunnier, so fingers crossed I won't get too wet. The bike is going to be minging, which is going to be really annoying, but you know, it is what it is. I can't really bail on a group ride I've organised and just not turn up myself. So yeah, jump on board, come along, see what Superbike Warehouse is all about. If you're ever in the area to Great Yarmouth, it's worth checking out. It's actually quite a nice little showroom, to be fair. Yeah, let's get it sorted out and let's see if anyone turns up in my first stop. I honestly don't think anyone will, but we'll see. So we are now heading to my first meeting point, Big Tesco's as it's effectively known as, because we've got two Tesco's. Not that's at all relevant, but still. Yeah, we're now heading into Tesco's, so we'll see if anyone's here. The meeting time was 8:30 until 10:20. Yeah, start that again. The meeting time was 8:30 and we should be leaving by 10 to 9, so you know, it gives people 20 minutes to sort of get here and all that. So not that anyone's going to turn up, I'm telling you, no one's going to turn up here. I'll be gobsmacked if they do. And no one is here. There's a shock. So I'm going to park here and probably go get myself a coffee and wait, because I ain't going to sit here and just wait willy-nilly. I'm going to get myself a Costa, I reckon. Oh, we're in. Still, put my rock up, and I'll continue to wait. So that's us done at the first meeting point. No one turned up as expected, so I now feel like a proper loner. But yeah, no one turned up. I could say I didn't expect anyone to turn up, to be honest with you, because well, I'm pretty much the only person who lives down this way. That group that I'm with on Facebook, the majority of them are sort of Norwich and Yarmouth based anyway, so yeah, so I have nobody following me, which means I can just ride how I like. But I am still going along the A11 bypass because, well, I'm boring. around here somewhere should be, hopefully, some bikes. It's not looking good, is it? I'm not gonna lie. But we are 15 minutes early, so I did say we'll meet at 1:45, so gives people 15 minutes to get here. So we shall see who turns up.
Yeah, we'll park in there, but see what's squeezing down here.
Well, I looked, obviously no one's working it today, so I can't see it a problem, but obviously Warehouse Superbike haven't thought about this very well, have they? Anyway, we're parked. Let's go and have a look. So there you go guys, that was a sports bike shop birthday bash, and the first time me leading a ride out. I think it went relatively well. A few mishaps, a few issues, but teething problems. So they were teething problems. Anyway guys, me and Mike are now off for a ride, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, if you're ever in Great Yarmouth, definitely check out Superbike Warehouse. It's a nice shop, nice place, some nice bikes. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. See you later.